So let me show you how to install and set up the Google keyboard as your default keyboard on the Galaxy Z Flip 8. So if you prefer to use Gboard or Google keyboard, first start by downloading it. So go to the Google Play Store and go ahead and search for Google keyboard. You can type Gboard or Google keyboard, doesn't really matter. It's always going to give you the same result, Google LLC. So make sure that's the company from Google LLC. Tap on install, and that should install Gboard on your Z Flip 8. With the app installed, you want to go ahead and launch it. It's going to open up and tell you to enable it inside settings. So that's going to take you to the keyboard settings. You need to go ahead and enable that keyboard. And once you enable it, you can now go to the default keyboard setting and select Gboard as your default keyboard. So now anytime you're typing, it's the Google keyboard that's going to pop up. Thanks for watching and good luck.